Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy are on a mission to abolish one of America's most divisive practices, daylight saving time. Through their Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, they're pushing to end the semi annual clock changes. Musk, the Tesla CEO, recently hinted at the change, saying the people have spoken and want to stop the annoying time changes. A poll linked by Musk showed widespread public support for the idea. Ramaswamy agreed, calling the practice inefficient and easy to change. Musk even confirmed his stance by responding yes to a query from Senator Mike Lee about supporting the abolition of daylight saving time. While their stance may seem informal, it aligns with Dodge's mission to streamline government practices. To abolish daylight saving time, Congress would need to pass legislation such as the 2022 Sunshine Protection Act, which stalled in the House despite passing in the Senate. Daylight saving time, introduced during World War I to save energy, has been criticized for its negative impact on health and productivity. Some studies link clock changes to increases in heart attacks, strokes, and car accidents. Economically, research from JP Morgan Chase shows that the time shift could lead to a drop in consumer spending by up to 4.9%. A 2022 YouGov poll revealed that two-thirds of Americans support ending daylight saving time, with many favoring a permanent shift to daylight saving time. Musk, who grew up in South Africa, a country that doesn't observe daylight saving time, has long criticized the practice. Ramaswamy, known for his critiques of government inefficiency, has also targeted the outdated timekeeping system. Even President elect Donald Trump has voiced support for abolishing daylight saving time. As the public demand grows, the question remains, can Dodge and its high profile leaders push through the change and eliminate this decades old tradition?